In this video, I would like to compare ATAS and market terminal, which we will call MMT. I use both of them and both of them help me to take such beautiful trades on daily basis. But both of them cost money and you should choose wisely which one better to use. For a start, let's cover ATAS because, as you know, I am partner with ATAS for many years, and in what case ATAS I think is the best. I think if you trade classic markets, NASDAQ index, ES index, gold on COMEX, it is not about CFD, it's if you exactly trade futures market, real futures market. In those cases, ATAS really the best because what's the most positive side of ATAS, you can get a lot of volume on a different angle. And you can see even yesterday, this beautiful volume profile, I waited for absorption outside of a value and took this beautiful long where I made 1,100 USD of profit, which is quite beautiful. Main reason why I took the trade, because I saw significant buying power. I saw really aggressive buyer, and exactly here I took a trade to continue this up structure. And when I see the significant delta absorption at high, it was a moment when I closed my trade. That's why in this case, ATAS beautiful. In front of your eyes, a chart from ATAS where you can see big bubbles, big orders, you can see delta profile, volume profile. You can build different charts based on volume, based on delta, different time frames. In this case, ATAS beautiful. But in what case ATAS really hard to use? Before I show to you exactly in what cases it's hard to use, I invite you to join my public Telegram where on daily basis I share signals, trading plans, market updates, free tutorials that will help you become profitable. Link will be in description to this video. Additionally, as a bonus, you will get templates for ATAS and templates for market terminal for free if you right now subscribe to me, and my system automatically will send it to you. Why I think ATAS is difficult to use on a crypto? Because if you switch between coins, even at this moment in front of your eyes, if you would like to analyze several coins, you need to create this workspace layouts. And you can see that they don't work really the best. And imagine if you would like to analyze some coin, you need to switch several layouts at the same time. Yes, when you analyze it, you can get all data that you need. Honestly, if ATAS would aggregate data normally, I would use only ATAS. But what's the main problem with ATAS? They don't aggregate data. For each coin that you analyze, you need to have a connection and you need to have open chart. Example, you would like to analyze SUI. If you would like to analyze every spot market on a SUI, Binance spot, Coinbase spot, OKX spot, Hyperliquid, all of these coins, you'll need to edit separate charts and separate connections. Honestly, it's difficult and awful because it takes a lot of capacity of your computer. Additionally, if you will have several coins, even at this moment, as you can see, several coins, in that case, for your computer, it would be really difficult. Even at this moment, have a look on this lagging, have a look, you can see, yeah, that's how you switch. Yes, when you zoom in, you can see clusters, you can zoom in, you can see every cluster. Data in ATAS is good, volume profile good, limit orders is good, big size trades is good. But main disadvantage, it is aggregated data. That's a reason why I started learning and using Market Monkey Terminal. Before I dive deeply, the most positive side of Market Monkey Terminal, I ask you to push like and follow me on this YouTube channel because I create a lot of videos that will help you make money on the markets. Even here yesterday, as you can see, the significant delta, you can go down and what you can do is you can simply aggregate delta on all exchanges and you can see every delta where it entered. And after that, it's really easy to take a trade because when I saw that significant delta absorption, what I did, I sent a signal to all our community, take trade. And at this moment, price did beautiful move into our direction. And quite a lot of community members, what they did, yes, they took trades with me. Additional reason, once more on Market Monkey Terminal, they created web version, and I think that this web version is better because you can use it for Windows PC, for MacBook. ATAS honestly is the best for Windows. You automatically aggregate data from all top exchanges. You don't need hundreds of windows, and because of that, for you it's very easy to make a trading decision. Additionally, you can see you can get aggregated depth of market, aggregated clusters, aggregated volume profile, delta profile, aggregated cluster statistics. That's honestly what's lack in ATAS. I would be happy to use only ATAS because I'm partner with them for more than 3 years and use only aggregated order book. But we have what we have. Their main focus it is indexes. I understand them because they have most of their clients on indexes, NQ, yes, and because of that they invest most of their efforts into those markets. About these guys, Market Monkey Terminal, they're really good. They create a lot of updates. I see the team really active on X. They share a lot of ideas. That's why I think for a crypto market, Market Monkey Terminal would be the best. That's why, my friend, let me summarize to you before I remind you to follow me on my public Telegram to get my free templates about these platforms and a lot of insights that will help you make money in the future. ATAS, beautiful platform, but the best for indexes, NASDAQ, yes, gold, COMEX, those markets. Market Monkey Terminal, really good for crypto because they aggregate data from top exchanges. They give you deep order flow. They web. You can use it on different platforms, on Windows, on MacBook. That's why for those market, for a crypto market, MMT is the best. Remember that those platforms, it's only part of a deal because in the end you still need a strategy. Terminal, it is like a scalpel that surgeon need to use to do a surgery, but without understanding, without knowledge how to do it, when to do it, nothing would happen. That's the reason. It's the same in crypto. Terminal gives you data, but you need to know how to implement it. That's the reason why I recorded for you this video lesson, where I showed you my strategy, how to add this order flow data in one place to make good trades.